Think of the word relationship. Relationships are central to our daily life. When a relationship is expected to last, people may form contracts, associations, partnerships, marriages. And when these relationships end, there is a lot involved in splitting up. Separating at the end of a relationship can be a long, exhausting, and painful process involving emotional conflicts and legal disputes. Taking those conflicts and disputes into a judicial process is like declaring war, where the objective of each of the parties is total victory. Take the classic example of a divorce, which traditionally involves, on the one hand, an emotionally distressed husband and a lawyer armed to protect his client, and, on the other, an emotionally distressed wife and a lawyer equally armed to protect her client. In the center of this conflict, a fight about the fruits of this relationship, a home, investments, a pension, and the most precious treasure, the children. And to complete the scenario, a judge who, despite the best preparation, does not know the people involved nor the unique needs of each family. He's given the power of deciding what will happen to everyone and everything in dispute. Too often, the result is that everyone loses. Children grow up in the middle of battles in the courts, parents spend their savings on professional fees and costs, and the family often ends up needing psychological counseling to overcome the trauma of a contentious divorce. The moral of the story is that courts are no place to bring the normal disputes involved in ending a relationship, but there is a better way, a method for resolving issues associated with separation and divorce without recourse to the courts: collaborative law. It is a method which recognizes that the end of a relationship is a human experience that is best addressed by a humanistic process for resolving conflicts. Disagreements between the separating parties are resolved by an interdisciplinary team in a collaborative approach. In a collaborative divorce, everyone works together, constructively, face to face. Husband, wife, collaborative lawyers, and, if necessary, mental health professionals, the children's advocates, financial advisors, all work together in a structured process with the goal being consensus for the benefit of the family. Parties and lawyers sign an agreement whereby they undertake not to take legal action, but to work as a team using constructive dialogue to build solutions and reach agreements. It is a win-win situation. The process is faster, more economical than litigation, based upon consensus rather than power, places value on human relationships, and unclutters courts. Collaborative law was born in 1990 in the United States from the inspiration of a lawyer tired of working in a stressful mode and fed up with the destructive battles involved in divorce-related conflicts. Today, there are highly trained lawyers, mental health, and financial specialists working collaboratively in disputes in the fields of family, civil, commercial law. There are more than 22,000 collaborative professionals worldwide, including in Switzerland. Whether you are a potential client or a professional, you are invited to consider collaborative law. Want to learn more? Visit our website at www.droit-collaboratif-roman.ch.